Last video we discussed about how to make passive income by investing. In this video we will discuss about how to make passive income with rental property. Taking advantages of things you already have is one of the best ways to make passive income a quick reality. Number 1. Invest in rental property. This is one of my favorite ways to generate passive income. It's the first one we explored and decided to go for, as we love real estate and we do like to have a tangible investment. You will normally need some capital to invest, and you will need to do quite a lot of work upfront to find the right rental property. Although many people don't consider rental properties a passive business, it's more passive than going to the office every day. Every time you buy a rental, you have to renovate it to high standards to ensure it's in perfect shape and won't need much work done for a quite few years. If you want to make it even more passive, you can outsource the property management duties and maintenance tasks. Number 2. Rent out your spare room. What could be better than making money from home? Earning passive income from your home. If you own your house and have a spare room or rent a place with some extra space, you can start earning money now on websites like Airbnb. If you are renting, make sure you check with your landlord first, as you will need his or her permission to rent out the extra space. How much you can make will depend on your home's location, size and condition. But this is definitely a way of earning money from a space that might just be sitting there going away on holiday. List your home while you are away, and you could earn more than what your holiday is costing you. Number 3. Rent out your car. Got a car that you don't drive all the time? You should probably rent it out, just like renting out a property. This will require some maintenance and work, but you can earn some good money. If you want to rent out your car while you are on holiday or while you are not using it, check out websites like Turo and Get Around. These websites let you rent your car Airbnb style. With Turo, you are protected with 1 million in liability insurance, and your car is covered against theft and physical damage. Your car has to be from 2005 or newer, have a clean title and have less than 103,000 miles on. Get Around has similar requirements. Every tip includes 1 million insurance and 24/7 roadside assistance. Plus, it installs a device that lets people get into your car without the key. Get Around says the average car owner makes $1,000 per year. Not bad for very little effort. Number 4. Rent your parking space. If you have a free parking space, driveway or empty garage, you can easily turn that into money. You could list the space yourself on Craigslist or reduce the hassle and use something like Stoy. Stoy connects individuals and businesses with extra space to others that need vehicle storage. It will also process all payments and make sure that you get paid on time. Plus, listing your space is free, and you keep 95% of your earnings. Other websites you can look into depending on where you live: Parkex, Curb Flip, Robber Parking, Pavement. If you live in a major metropolitan area, you will be surprised by how much you can make for your spot. Number 5. Rent storage space. If you have some extra space and are happy for people to store their stuff in there, could simply rent it out without much hassle. Much easier than letting your spare room on Airbnb and having to deal with potential guests every day. By renting out your space as storage, you could earn some easy money by actually doing very little. I suggest you use a peer-to-peer storage rental platform to find verified users. Websites like Neighbor, Tashi, cost of. We'll charge you a small fee but will vet users and help you collect payment and insurance your skills. Number 6. Rent your bike, sports equipment or anything else you can think of. Did you know you could earn cash with that bike you rarely ride or sports equipment you only use once or twice a year? Websites like Finds with a spin lister let you make money by renting out all sorts of equipment, from bikes to cameras, tools, generators, paint sprays, speakers and more. You can list all your equipment for free on both websites. Spin lister will only take bikes, snowboards, skis and surfboards, while Friends with a has more options. Plus, you can insure your items against damage or theft. All you have to do is pay a low fee from 6% to 17.5% when you rent out your equipment. Number 7. Rent your clothes. Yes, if you have some nice clothes in your wardrobe or bags, shoes and accessories you rarely use, you could make money by renting them out. While you can rent pretty much anything, designer brands like Alice and Oliva, Eliza J or Chanel rent much easily while renting fast fashion like Forever 21, H&M won't make you much money. Website and apps to check if you want to rent your clothes. Styleland, rent not buy. These websites gives you the option to insure your items if they get damaged or lost. But always check the fine print before you land. Which ideas you like the most? Please comment below. Thanks for watching the video.